The National Weather Service in Milwaukee-Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Green Lake County in south-central Wisconsin, Columbia County in south-central Wisconsin, southern Marquette County in south-central Wisconsin, east-central Sauk County in south-central Wisconsin, until 6:15 p.m. At 5:17 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 9 miles northeast of Wisconsin Dells to 6 miles northwest of Portage to near Lake Wisconsin, moving east at 30 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Portage, Columbus, Lake Wisconsin, Gwinnett, Partyville, Randolph, Fall River, Montello, Rio, Cambria, Pequawkee, Manchester, Arlington, Waukena, Macon, Otsego, Oxford, Endeavor, Friesland, and Kingston. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.